Definition of interjection with examples. Merriam-Webster defines interjection as: an interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it and mainly expresses feeling rather than meaning. Cambridge Dictionary writes about interjections. We use interjections to express emotions such as pleasure, surprise, shock, and disgust. Most interjections are just sounds rather than actual words and come at the beginning or at the end of what we say. Interjections are more common in speaking than in writing. According to the above-mentioned definitions, we learn that, number 1, an interjection is a part of speech. Number 2, an interjection is a word or phrase. Number 3, an interjection is grammatically independent. Interjections are not governed by grammar. Number 4, most of the interjections are just sounds, while some of them are words and phrases. Number 5, interjections are used to express emotions and feelings like surprise, pleasure, shock, disgust, happiness, fear, sorrow, pain, admiration, joy, celebration, and others. In the following examples, hurrah, alas, and wow are interjections used to convey joy, sorrow, and surprise respectively.